speak softly and carry a big stick, and you will go far. If a man continually blusters, if he lacks civility, a big stick will not prevent him from trouble. And neither will speaking softly avail if a man does not have behind that softness strength and power. We are not building this country of ours for a day. It is to last throughout the ages. It is for our children, and for their children, and for their children's children to enjoy with all of its majestic beauty unmarred. Get action. Do things. Be sane. Don't fritter away your time. Create. Act. Take a place wherever you are and be somebody. Get action. It is not the critic who counts. Not the man who points out where the strong man stumbles. Nor the man who points out how the doer of deeds could have done them better. But it is the man who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred with dust and sweat and blood, who strives valiantly, who errs, who comes up short again and again. For there can be no effort without error and shortcoming, but who strives valiantly to do the deed.